Hi guys, my name is Nirasha. I am from the UK. I am the course creator of Stress, my 30-day Manage Your Stress Successfully. I'm so grateful to Sarah for helping me and showing me the step-by-step process on how to put my thoughts from up here into an absolutely awesome online course. Sarah, I came across your course when I was flipping through Facebook, and I'm so glad that I did click on the button and I went and I did your free one first. I think the way you approach the entire process of creating an online course is just amazing. It is simple to follow, simple to understand, and I think what really drew me to you was your authenticity, because you came across very natural and very very down to earth, and that was the type of course I wanted to create, because it's very hard for me to be a professor like instructor or professor like course creator. So that wasn't the type of courses that I wanted to create. So by following your program, you enabled me to create not one but two courses. I've done a Kickstarter and I've done a lead magnet. The lead magnet was my free course, and my Kickstarter is the course that it's a paid course. So I'm very, very grateful to you. I loved the whole process. I never believed that the use of post-its could be so inventive and so I loved the way my study looked when I was on the process of brain dumping and whatever, and I just loved it. Thank you so much. You're amazing. And if anybody is hesitant on whether to click the button or not, don't be hesitant anymore, because she's amazing, she's magical. And I also loved my Zoom podcast with Sarah. I can't wait to see it. So I'd love to highly recommend Sarah. Thank you so much.